This Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that adds 2 induction burners to any kitchen space. Whether you're looking to enhance your cooking capabilities at home, in a dorm room, on a boat, or in an RV, this cooktop offers an exceptional cooking experience with its instant heat up and consistent, precise heat control. The Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop is designed with a sleek, smooth glass surface that not only looks modern and stylish, but is also incredibly easy to clean. The black finish complements any kitchen decor and adds a touch of elegance to your cooking space. The cooktop measures 14.25 inches by 23.5 inches by 2.5 inches, making it compact enough for small kitchens, yet spacious enough to accommodate 2 burners. Each burner on this cooktop has its own set of controls, allowing for independent operation. The left burner features 8 heat settings, while the right burner offers 5 heat settings. Both burners come with individual 150-minute timers and on-off switches, providing you with the flexibility to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with different heat and time requirements. Induction cooking is known for its efficiency and precision, and the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop doesn't disappoint. Induction technology heats the cookware directly through magnetic induction rather than heating the cooktop surface. This results in faster heat-up times and more even heating, eliminating hot spots and ensuring that your food cooks evenly. It also means that the cooktop surface remains cooler to the touch, reducing the risk of burns and making it safer to use, especially in households with children. Another significant advantage of induction cooking is energy efficiency. The Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop uses up to 70% less energy than conventional electric or gas cooktops, which translates to lower energy bills and a smaller carbon footprint. This makes it not only a smart choice for your wallet, but also an environmentally friendly option. One of the standout features of the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop is its ease of use. The bright LED displays are clear and easy to read, allowing you to monitor the temperature and timer settings at a glance. The sensor touch controls are responsive and intuitive, making it simple to adjust the heat settings and timers for each burner. Safety is a top priority with this cooktop. The heat shuts off automatically 30 seconds after the pot or pan is removed from the burner, preventing accidents and conserving energy. Additionally, the cooktop is designed for use with induction-ready cookware, such as cast iron or Atros stainless steel. This ensures optimal performance and safety during cooking. In terms of performance, the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop excels in delivering precise and consistent heat. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce, boiling water, or searing a steak, this cooktop provides the control you need to achieve perfect results. The left burner, with its 8 heat settings, is ideal for tasks that require more precise temperature control, while the right burner's 5 heat settings are perfect for everyday cooking tasks. The 150-minute timers on both burners are particularly useful for dishes that require longer cooking times, such as slow-cooked stews or braised meats. You can set the timers and go about your other tasks without worrying about overcooking or burning your food. The Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop compact and portable design makes it incredibly versatile. It's perfect for use in small kitchens where space is limited, and its portability means you can take it with you wherever you need an extra cooking surface. Whether you're hosting a holiday dinner and need additional burners or cooking outdoors on your patio, this cooktop is up to the task. It's also an excellent choice for dorm rooms, boats, and RVs, where conventional cooking appliances may not be practical. The cooktop's flameless design means you don't have to worry about ventilation or open flames, making it safe for use in confined spaces. Cleaning the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop is a breeze, thanks to its smooth glass surface. Spills and splatters can be easily wiped away with a damp cloth, and the absence of burner grates or coils means there are no hard-to-reach areas where food particles can accumulate. This makes it easy to maintain a clean and hygienic cooking environment. Final thoughts. The Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop Double Induction Cooktop is a versatile, efficient, and user-friendly appliance that brings the benefits of induction cooking to any kitchen space. Its sleek design, independent burner controls, and energy-efficient performance make it a valuable addition to any home. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cooking setup or need a portable solution for cooking on the go, this cooktop is a fantastic choice. With its combination of advanced features, safety mechanisms, and ease of use, the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop stands out as a top-tier induction cooktop. It's an investment that will enhance your cooking experience and provide reliable performance for years to come. If you're ready to experience the convenience and efficiency of induction cooking, the Cuisinart Double Induction Cooktop is the perfect appliance for you. Enjoy faster heat-up times, precise temperature control, and energy savings, all in a compact and portable design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.